You know why I'm pulling you over today?
No, officer.
You have a license registration?
Yeah.
Here you go. All right, sir. You have a good rest of your day.
Thank you.
Mother of God. You have any idea how fast we were going? Do you have a license on you? License registration? Shit! Fuck! God damn it! Fuck! Get out of here. Just drive. Get out of here. I can't believe it!